Good day everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about something we are used every single day. Communication. Whether we are talking to our friends, writing a message, or presenting in front of the class, communication skills help us connect, understand, and express ourselves clearly. What is communication? Communication is simply process of sharing information, ideas, or feeling with others. It can verbal, like speaking and writing, or non-verbal, such as gesture, facial expression, and body language. In short, communication is how we build relationship and make sense of the world around us. Why it matters? Communication skills matter because they affect almost every part of our lives. In school, good communication helps us express our ideas and understand lesson better. And friends, it helps prevent misunderstanding. And in the workplace, employees value people who can speak and listen effectively. Good communication can even make you more confident and respected by others. Everyday example. Think about your daily life. When you're explaining something to a classmate, greet a teacher politely, or even post something online, that's communication. A simple misunderstanding can cause a conflict, but a clear message can solve problems and build trust. That's why it's not just a skill, it's a life tool. How to improve? To improve our communication skill, we can listen actively, pay attention not to hear, speak clearly and confidently, use polite and respectful language, practice reading and writing regularly. The more we can communicate, the better we become at it. Conclusion. In conclusion, communication skills matter because they help us learn, connect, and success in life. They are not just about speaking English. They are about understanding others and being understood. So let us continue to improve our communication skill every day because that truly make a difference. Thank you for listening.